Namaste from Namaste Tarot. If you have something on your mind right now which is bothering you a lot, okay, so we'll just check the energy towards that thing, okay. What is the past, present, and future energy of that thing, okay? Why is it bothering you? Why is it there in your life? What is the present situation, and what will be the future of that thing? Will it get fixed, or it will stay the way it is? Okay, I hope it gets fixed. And yeah, so this is the past which has caused this situation in your life. This is the present, and this is the future. Okay, and in the end I'll take up some card, or cards maybe, which will talk about like what is that your subconscious mind wants you to know about this thing. Okay, so let's start with this past. Three of Cups. This is love, maybe the aesthetics is done, and for some of you this is work which is bothering you. So your past with this thing is not very bad, I would say. Okay, you were like very comfortable in your life with this thing. Maybe it was a relationship which was very beautiful, or and you were very happy with it. Okay, so but now I don't know, it is bothering you. That's what I the energy which I picked up. And you have given a lot, okay, in this relationship, or in this love life, or in this thing in your life. Okay, maybe it's your work which you loved so much, something which you did with a lot of passion, but it's not working like you want it to be. Okay, so that's the past. The past of this thing is very beautiful. Okay, it's all good things. You have the Three of Cups and Eight of Pentacles. So the past is very beautiful, but I mean, the question which I had in my mind, it is something which is worrying you right now. Maybe your relationship is not perfect right now, or maybe you are putting in efforts, but the thing is not working for that passion which you have in your life. Okay, uh, but it's a good thing. Okay, I don't know the future, but I feel with the past it's a very good energy. So what is the present? Do you see, you have the Ten of Wands? So the present is you are tired and you are about to give up this thing. Okay, you are about to give up this relationship, or you're about to give up whatever passion you have in your life. Whatever is that you're working on right now, you're about to give it up. And that is the reason you're watching it, because you should not give up, because it's a very beautiful energy which you have created such beautiful things in your past. It's not working right now. I can see that you are overburdened, you're tired, and you want to get out of it and start something new, but don't do that. Okay, I feel I don't know these cards, but with the past I would tell you it is something very destined, very beautiful, which will happen in your life soon. So your present energy is you're tired, you're overburdened, you want to give it up, and and you might give up. I don't know. So, but what will be the future of this thing if you don't give up? Okay, on this thing. Seven of Pentacles and World. See, this thing which you are working on, okay, it will take time, okay, because it will give you a lot of abundance. The World is a card wherein it's a completion of something and a very beautiful energy. But this thing will take time, and you need to have patience. That is what the future of this thing, which I can tell you, which you have in your mind when you're looking at this video. Okay, don't give up on this relationship, don't give up on your dream, don't give up on whatever you're trying to build right now, or whatever you're trying to aspire or manifest in your life, because it will take time, but it will happen, and it will happen with a lot of abundance, and a lot of success in your life. Okay, it will completely change your world, this thing. That's what you desire. So the past, present, and future I mentioned, and now let's see if there is something which your subconscious mind wants you to know. I'm sorry for the background noise, but that's how it is. So what is that? I mean, I'm not able to do the video since a long time, but today I had to do it. So I hope you enjoy the background noise as well. So what is the that your subconscious mind is trying to tell you today, okay, about this thing in your life? Strength. So keep doing whatever you're doing. You need to balance, okay? Don't give up. Keep doing whatever you're doing. Have courage and have that perseverance in your life to achieve this thing which you really want, because this will change your life, okay? So that's the message from your subconscious mind. I hope this message helped everyone who feel connected to this reading, and I'm sorry if the noise bothered you, but I hope this helps and this reaches the person. Don't give up on your dream, don't give up on your relationship, and don't give up on your manifestation. That's what is that the cards are trying to tell you today. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste and have a good week. Thank you.